David Nesanoff, the international speaker, rabbi, and humorist, is on his way. He has been to over 700 communities in the world, and now he returns to Nashville. After a brief stop at the Grand Ole Opry House, David will be heading over to the Chabad of Nashville for the holiday of Shavuot to celebrate the Ten Commandments and eat cheesecake. Jews of Nashville, this is not an event to be missed. Mosey on down to the Chabad of Nashville and celebrate Shavuos with David Nesanoff. Chag Sameach, everyone.